that going to explode?
Probably not.
Oh, okay.
This is the tubboship. We, today, are going to build this.
I'm actually really excited.
First things first though, we obviously can't, just do it on this lovely, clean, white table. Have you heard of something called the bro mat?
The bro mat?
Yeah, I just like to put down, casually a mat,
Wait.
It's just the bro mat, really. This is what we put down. Yeah, that's much nicer.
So this is my cover, I assume. How have you managed to get a mat with our faces on?
What you should have asked is, how did I manage to get your face on 2 desk mats, he said, foreshadowing.
Right, so, stabilizers are fairly simple.
Okay.
What we like to do with our stabilizers to make them nice and smooth, to take away the rattle, we basically apply lubricant and that makes them all nice and smooth.
Why don't you like the rattle though?
Okay, let's use a demonstration. Right?
Oh, I didn't think you were gonna bring my keyboard in already.
It just sounds...
Yeah, but it's kind of like a drum kit. You can do like a.
That's enough of that. I don't want to hear that. A little bit of lubricant. Dab it on the sides. Put it on this edge. So the part of 2 holes goes through the hole here. You're gonna just dab it all over the edge. It snaps in like that. Right, okay, now this is your try. So.
Oh no.
Let's see how good of a teacher I am. Probably not very good. Honestly, the standard is just to be better than Tommy. Because he was...
It's falling out. Oh my god. Just take it off me.
He tried his best.
Alright. Oh boy.
Have fun.
I just... Oh god. I can feel myself being judged.
What is a tubbo? You're a tubbo.
I am.
Okay.
Next step was what? Something about the 3 holes and the 2 holes. Yeah.
Anyways, what's your name?
Toby.
I think your name was Tubbo. Okay, yeah. See, I believed in you, and you did it. You're such a good teacher.
Did I?
And then you just do it again.
It's Tubbo. Or Toby.
So is it Toby or Tubbo? Say my name is Dave or David. It doesn't really make.
Isn't Dave just shortened for David?
You can't shorten David, then it would not be David.
No, shorten David to Dave. Which way in does this go? Like this. Boom.
Keep us. Okay, last spot.
Thank you. Dare I suggest, am I allowed to stray from the norm with this one?
I'll allow it, just depends how far you stray. Damn.
Was that too far?
I said you could stray and he just triple jumped the line. If you're gonna go ahead, why don't you just dunk it?
Yeah, just like, yeah.
Oh, you need more than that. You said you're gonna stray, that's barely breaking the laws.
Like that?
Look at that.
There we go. More? Why? It seems obsessive.
No.
It does seem obsessive.
More lube, come on.
Okay. Up there?
No, more.
More?
Occupation.
Unemployed.
This doesn't look like the house of somebody unemployed.
What? No. Oh.
Oh, that sounded like a click. Oh, let's
Have I done
see.
it?
Did he do it? He did! There you go.
I'm so proud.
Okay.
I'm so proud.
Boom. Nice. Yeah. So, I have this really cool trick. It's gonna blow your mind. So if you close your eyes.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. I looped
Wait,
them
what?
all instantly.
Wait.
I am so incredible at looping.
Wait, so if you already... Wait, now.
I just want you to feel a fraction of the pain I felt doing all of these. We have done our stabilizers, we've screwed them into our PCB.
Okay.
The next part is to figure out what switches you want.
I don't know the difference.
You can have the easy part or you can have the fun part. Which would you like?
The fun part?
Yes! Hey, this is my favorite part of the video. I have brought a variety of keyboards
Oh my god.
for you to try. This is the Glarses selection. Here I have put out 9 different keyboards with different switches. Your job now is to really
just pick one. Like...
enjoy it and click them to your heart's content. So whatever switch you want from here, we can just put into your keyboard. So
Really?
yeah, have fun.
Can I open this one? This one looks cool.
Go for it.
Oh my, I can't lift this. Oh my god.
So this is built with tangerines.
It feels so different to what I'm used to.
We'll try all of them. Here we go.
Okay. This is a big decision though. This is going to affect me for the rest of my life. Whoa.
The
That feels
portal.
weird.
Okay, moving on.
I just not enough time.
Number 3.
I might say something soon which is about to upset you, but I'm struggling to kind of feel the difference in quite a lot of them.
Now, this is the first tactile.
Wait,
trying
my
to do.
phone's ringing. Who's calling? I'm being wrong. Oh, wait,
them you're busy.
Tommy's calling me. Wait. Hello, I am with Glarses right now.
Oh, really?
Yeah, welcome to the keyboard video.
Hello, how are you?
Wait, are you recording right now?
Yep.
Hello! Subscribe to Glarses.
Hey, bye-bye.
Bye, have fun!
Bye. Sorry about him.
No, that's brilliant. That's my call to action right now.
No.
I'm gonna ask you some questions, show you some pictures of some people that I've been told the real Tubbo will know. Who is this?
That is Tommy.
Relationship to you?
Friend.
Is that it?
Yes. Oh my god, it's so hot. I feel like I'm gonna break my freaking wrist.
Probably like three and a bit kilograms. So these are silent tactile switches. That's more similar to what you have there. Oh, he's found what he likes. No, give him time.
Oh, that one looks awesome. This is better.
So this is made out of acrylic.
I love this. The bigger the enter key, the better.
Oh, so you're gonna love. Oh, you're gonna love it.
What? You're
gonna
hyping
love it.
me
You're
up
gonna
now.
love it. You're gonna love it. Okay, moving on. We have to get to the end.
There's no time. Oh my god, they're back to being heavy as well.
These are Cherry MX Browns, the switches I hate the most. So I definitely won't hate you if you choose these. Who is this?
Ranboo.
Relationship to you?
Friend.
These guys you call your friend are just one-liners. You don't have anything more to say about Ranboo?
No, just friend.
Hear that, Ranboo? It's just your friend. Nothing more.
I like these colours, these are cool.
These.
Oh, and it's nice and light! Oh!
And this has got clicky switches, as
That's
you can hear.
that's quite cool, isn't
It's
it?
satisfying, isn't it? They are clicky, but I don't think they're ridiculously loud.
What's this key?
I lost the B key, so I just used the black. Number 7.
Okay.
Two more.
This is exciting. This is quite exciting. I see why you like this one.
These are very heavy tactiles, probably most similar in feel to your current keyboard.
Really? I also like the colourful buttons, the colourful text. That's cool. I've got a feeling that this might be the favourite.
How did he know? This is probably the heaviest one here.
Yep.
That is the Geonworks F18X. It's actually the same model of keyboard that Tommy has. It also has the same switches.
Why is the spacebar not clicky but everything else clicky?
Oh, because I ran out of switches.
Oh no!
Now is the hard part. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Can I break it down to 3?
You can use any process. You just have to break it
Alright,
down.
I'm going to eliminate this one.
Oh yes. I mean,
I'm also going to eliminate this one.
okay.
Even though it has the enter key, I'm also going to eliminate this one.
Okay, we're down to 6. He's got a third
Oh,
down. 5 more to go. This is where it gets tough.
This one's just, it doesn't feel like anything special, you know?
I agree. I think
Like,
Cherry MX
it's
Browns don't
nothing-
feel like anything special.
Wait, is this Cherry MX Browns, is it? Oh, yeah, this one's just not enough, it's just not very interesting.
I agree. Yeah, let's eliminate this one. Yeah,
It doesn't,
goodbye.
see, this one here feels like a weaker option of this one.
That's exactly right. That's like 5 grams lighter than those ones. So very good observation.
Yeah, so this one just feels like the weaker option, so I think I'm going to eliminate this one. See, I really like this. I don't know why. I don't know why. It's just, it doesn't feel like a keyboard to type on, which sounds weird, but it's nice.
But keyboard doesn't feel like a
No,
keyboard.
no, but it
so
doesn't.
I like it.
Oh, this is really difficult. This is really difficult. All right, wait.
Final 4.
See, this one feels a little bit too, like, you know what I mean?
No.
No, I don't. I feel like I'm pulling the keys off with my fingers when I'm typing, so I'm gonna eliminate this
It's
one.
your elimination. Now we're down to 3. Here we go.
See, I feel like I've got a good range of all of them, like the really nice smooth ones, the really like, and then like the middle ground.
These descriptions are A1.
Hey, I don't have to Well, I mean, this one,
Oh my, if he's gonna choose from my which is the nicest drum kit, I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna leave.
Sorry, okay, this one's eliminated. Just for that, this one's eliminated.
Funnily enough, if you choose these, it means that twice in a row, somebody has chosen box shades. No pressure, no pressure, no pressure.
Because I really like this, like... Okay, from a logistics point of view, can we think about it? So, this one, I definitely enjoy more. It's definitely more fun, but think about how loud that's going to be on stream, you know? That's going to be like...
When you talk to Tommy over Discord, can you hear his keyboard?
So much.
Oh, you can?
So much.
Yeah.
But see, my only problem is, because it's like, you have to push it down all the way and it's not like a click down, is this going to make it harder to play games like CSGO?
No, because actually, they actually actuate, so when your key will register in the middle.
Oh,
They'll
really?
register...
So it doesn't have to go all the way down?
No.
Oh, you're really selling it. You're really selling it.
You choose what you want, you know.
It's just, it's so nice. I can see myself just like...
I'm gonna need to push you for an answer.
Okay, let me feel this one last time. One last time. This is the winner. This is the winner.
We have a winner!
It just is. It's so nice.
Okay, so we're gonna be building the tubboship with tecsee carrots. Actually, let's...
Wait, they're called carrots? Oh my god, I love them even more now. Yo, you got a little whisk in there?
Oh, tecsee carrots.
Oh, they look like little carrots. Is that why they're called carrots? Oh, that's kind of cute.
Right, so you have won. Your prize is, if you just bring that back over here.
Wait, this?
Bring that over here.
Yo,
Just have to look for them a little bit.
there is no Pepsis in here. In fact, there is whatever the hell this is. And this. What is this? Why are you laughing at me? What is this? What?
Well, you see, Tubbo. You know, the Glarses company hasn't been doing so well. You know, where
What?
funds are low. So if you want these texees, you're gonna have to get them out of this keyboard's cold, dead body.
Really?
Yep.
Oh, I picked the other one.
So what are you? The easiest. If you get it over and then you, yeah.
Oh!
There you go,
Okay.
and they pop off.
You're a lot better at this than I am.
Oh, you've done it.
Oh, it's a glue gun. Oh, it's not a glue gun. Oh. Wait, what the fuck is this?
Your job is to use this to melt these little solder joints here and to suck up the aluminium back into this chamber. However, this gets very hot. The one thing I'm going to tell you, if you touch... I almost got cancelled for burning top this week. This, as you can see, this is 390 degrees. So,
It's fucking smoking, kid.
Oh good, okay, let's scrape this bit.
I told you before. Why do you never believe me? You never ever believe me.
Technical difficulties.
Never ever believe me. Why? Do you have a smoke alarm in this room?
Oh god, I do!
No, it's fine. Turn it on.
Yeah.
It's not supposed to happen. It's just a part of the video. I burnt Tubbo's house down. Yo, that's a 10 minute
That's a 10 mil video!
First thing,
Don't touch
don't
it.
touch the hot thing, it burns. What you do, put it on top of it like that, hold it on for a second, it will melt. It sucks up.
Yo!
Boom.
Oh no.
Okay.
I did my line.
Let's see how effective your line was. If you got half of them right, I will accept it and I will do the rest. If 8 of these come out, I will do the rest. 1, 2. I bought some gifts that I thought that the real Tubbo would appreciate.
Yeah.
I mean, you're not the real Tubbo, but since you're here, I might as well just...
I am though.
Three,
Oh,
4, 6.
have I done it? Have I aced it? Have I aced it?
Oh, no.
Oh no.
Oh.
Oh no.
Is he gonna choke? It's a tub for the pose. What's so funny?
I got it.
Get caught what?
It's a tub O, an O tub, a tub full of O's. It's. Alright. Oh, I've choked.
Oh, okay.
Oh no!
7, got one more. Oh, yeah,
Yay.
he's done.
I feel like we are slowly being fumed out in here. Like.
No, I've done this for hours. I mean, to be fair, would I be able to tell the difference off? Probably shouldn't listen to anything I say.
So now, what do these do?
That's a plate. We put our switches into the plate. Got a little dinky one. So this is the F row. All the old
This
like
is F12, is it?
that's F1 to F24.
Yes, F24. Can I do a celebratory gunshot?
That's so loud. My ears are really. Right, what we do? Very easy. Put that in there.
Get in there, you.
Perfect. Yeah, actually, and whilst I'm doing that, you can have fun.
Yay!
Perfect size, guys. Let me tell you guys
Stab
some
myself.
story. Yeah, you want to hold it. You don't want to hold it too close.
While you're doing the boring stuff, I've nearly finished the function keys. Boom! 24 function keys.
There you go.
Oh, hello.
Now this is what we started with. Much less scary, you see.
Well,
it's just stabby.
this one, yeah, it does. You know what? It is stabby looking.
It was going pretty decently at this point, but Tubbo had to bring me back down to earth a little bit.
I reckon I can solder all of these by the time you've put in all those keys. I'm making bets now.
Let's make this interesting.
500 gifted.
For those of you who don't know, every gifted sub on Twitch is £5. Tubbo was wagering £2,500. What kind of money does this guy think I make?
The Glarses company doesn't do that. How about 5 gifted?
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
down to lose 5 gifted.
5 gifted subs, and since I don't stream, you Uber Eats some McDonald's for.
Yeah!
Okay, that's a deal. So I'll probably show you a single joint.
Yeah, wait, have you ever soldered before?
No, but I got this.
I forgot my order ready.
Set.
Fuck, how do you solder?
Anyways,
Nah.
I got you another gift. Here you go.
Thank you.
Oh, wait, no, I forgot. I can taste the McDonald's already.
No, I've only done 2.
5 gifted subs. Like taking candy from a baby. And that baby's name is Tubbo. Silly me.
What the hell is this? Wait, what are you doing? Why do you have so many photos of my face?
It's a Toblerone. Why are you laughing? What's funny about it?
You've just stuck photos of my face to a Toblerone and called it a Toblerone.
If you're not gonna have it and not be thankful for it, I'll eat it. That's
Okay. You've just eaten the Toblerone in front of me.
the what?
The Toblerone.
The what? Wait, what the hell?
What? I want to win this. Leave me
What
alone.
the hell? Am I actually gonna lose to somebody who's never sold it? No reason. Tubbo destroys a keyboard.
Hey, you're making me laugh. What is this cheating?
Look, Tubbo, it's Tommy. He's outside.
Yo!
He's.
Done! Oh! Admittedly, don't know how any of these are gonna work, but oh my!
You know what?
What?
You had one that doesn't have too much solder on it. Out of a possible 48, you got one right. Like these all work, but there's a hell of a lot of amount of solder on here. But you know what? I'm actually quite impressed.
Thank you. Thank you.
I was so sure I was gonna win, and I just see him.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you so much for the 5 gifted. Oh my god, Glarses! Glarses, you didn't have to gift me 5. Thank you for the 5 gifted Glarses.
Oh, you didn't have to give. Shut up, Tubbo.
I kind of feel a little bit bored of this desk mat now. Just want to. Could you just hold that for just 1 second?
What are you doing?
I just need something a little bit more interesting, you know. We just need need something a bit. There you go.
Why?
Just need something
Why?
Ah, that's more like it.
Why is my face so? Why?
I'm having a good time. Ta-da!
Yo!
Keycaps. These are GMK.
Key craps.
3. They are.
Now what does that mean?
Nothing and everything.
I'm not gonna lie, my main camera died at this point, so I'll kind of summarize what happened. We put the keycaps on, Tubbo gets confused.
Oh damn it! That's upside down as well.
How do you keep doing
Leave me alone! I'm trying.
it? Doesn't even. All the other keys go like this, and that one goes like that. How are you doing that?
My friends got involved, and we realized that the true keycaps were the friends we made along the way. Psych! I tried to give Tubbo these super cool relegendable keys, but he laughed at me.
Can put your favorite emotes there.
Why do I need an omega lol button?
And for some reason, much preferred the random filler words.
There's a no short button.
Like banknote.
Banknote. The debt key.
The Glarses company hasn't been doing so well. I do have something to tell you though.
What?
This video is sponsored by Surfshark.
It was 6 a.m. I was following my morning routine of skipping stones across the ocean when I saw it. Is that a fish? A boat? No, that's a shark. That's a shark. In the pursuit of keyboards, Glarses serves a lot of potentially, definitely dodgy sites, which is a big risk to its digital safety. Thankfully, Surfshark VPN has its back. Their clean web browser extension blocks ads and malware before they can even load. Phew! That was close. We all know shipping keyboards can take a long time, so instead of waiting, Glarses books a flight to the seller's location. And with Surfshark VPN, he gets the best deals on flights by checking prices from other locations. But I know, Glarses is only going to America to watch blocked Netflix content like The Dark Knight Rises. But with Surfshark, you don't need to do this. You literally click the location you want to be in, and boom, you're there. And the best part is, a single subscription will cover all your devices for just north of $2 a month. That's like what, 6 MX pounds to cover an unlimited number of devices with a 30-day money-back guarantee? Come on. Use code GLARSES for 83% off and 4 months free. Yeah. The build was unorthodox, but I had one more surprise for Tubbo.
You know how we talked about the enter key being one of the best keys?
The enter key is the best key. What is this? Yeah. You get me. You get me. Yeah.
There you go.
Oh, that is awesome.
So when you finish your work,
Slap that enter key. That is crazy.
I heard from the internet that there's this one song that the real Tubbo would know.
It's gonna take me forever.
Do you not know that this is the Tubbo song, right? That I wear a mask with a smile.
It's not me.
Okie dokie. The Tubbo's the guy with the Minecraft manhunt, right?
No. Wrong person.
So, Tubbo, like me to write Tubbo down?
Yeah.
To go by anything else?
Or like the Destroyer, if you want to.
We'll go with Tubbo. How do you think you did?
At least 100. Probably around here, I'd say. Okay. Maybe here.
Tubbo, you did it with a score of 36 words per minute. So that puts you squarely second.
Hey, second's pretty good.
On the leaderboard. That's Champions League. You're doing very well.
Champions League.
Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Well done,
Thank you, everyone.
Do you have anybody else you want to call out? Anybody else you want to see being on this leaderboard?
Oh, God. I reckon I could beat
George not found.
He can't beat that.